Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to prepare Akidi and Abacha. It is popularly known as black beans, but in the eastern part of Nigeria, we call it Akidi. So guys, I'm so excited to show you guys how to prepare this food. It is very popular in the eastern part of Nigeria, more especially in Enugu. These are the ingredients I'm using for this, although I'm not showing you guys all the things I'm going to be using, but this is the main ingredients you need to prepare this food. So as I proceed with the video, I'm going to list out the spices I'm using to prepare it. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. So next, I'm just going to quickly wash the beans, pick up the ones that are spoiled, and then put it in the pot. This is one of the best local food you will find in Enugu. It reminds me of my neighbor. She used to cook it all the time and I enjoy eating it. Each time I'm preparing this meal, I feel like going back to Nigeria. Black beans and abacha is one of the most current trending food in the world. It is simple to prepare and it tastes delicious. Once you're done washing the beans and pick up the ones that are spoiled from it, filter the water from it and then put the beans in the pot and then allow it to boil until it is very soft. I'm just going to quickly put my fish in the oven. I love to grill it before I use it. Then I'm going to check the beans if it's soft. Take one seed out and press it. When it's soft, then it is ready for use. Then put the beans aside and then add oil in the pot. Add your onions and then give it a stir. Then add your dry pepper or fresh pepper, whichever one you have. Add your Maggi, your crayfish, and then stir it again. Before I forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome and please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. So next, I'm going to be adding my favorite ingredient. It is called Ugba or Abacha. It is very popular in the eastern part of Nigeria because it is often seen accompanying most of our popular dishes such as Abacha, popularly known as African salad, jiagwarago, and black beans and Abacha, and so on. So next, I'm just going to add my fish and give it a stir and then take it out. Next, pour the hot water on the abacha. I don't like to soak abacha inside hot water because I don't want it to be soft. I just want it to be a little bit hard because I'm still going to add it in the pot and cover it for some time. So when you're done pouring the hot water on it, then add it on the pot and give it a mix. Mix it until the mixture is all over the abacha. When you're done mixing the abacha, next add your black beans and mix them together properly until the abacha covers the black beans or until the black beans is all over the abacha. Whichever way you want it is fine. So guys, look at it. Without testing it, I know it's going to taste very good. I'm just going to cover it and let it steam for 3 to 5 minutes and then give it a stir. And then that is it. Alright guys, don't forget, if you like this video, leave good comments, give me thumbs up and share the video. I can't end this video without tasting this food. This is one of my best local food. I love it so much. So I'm just going to test it and tell you guys how it tastes. Okay? It tastes amazing. This is one of my best food. I love it so much. It tastes very good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave good comments, and also share. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe and let's be friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.